Hello YouTube, today I'll show you how to remove blacklisted apps from your phone. So it's when you're unable to install any apps just because it was blacklisted on your phone, like it's unable to install TutuBox. This app cannot be listed because of integrity, could not be verified. It's just follow steps and you will be able to install TutuBox AppValley as well. AppValley. See, jump pops up. It's unable to install again. From AppValley apps. Skill. It's loading and uninstalling will crack. So just wait a little bit. And the same situation. Integrity could not be verified. So normally apps being blacklisted on your phone. So to remove them, you just need to go to your settings, go to Apple ID, iCloud. First you should make a backup of your phone, iCloud backup. Yeah, find iCloud backup. Backup now. And after backup, you should go to General. Go to reset. You must reset phone, the factory settings. That's only one way to delete blacklisted apps from your phone. Unfortunately, well, that's if you want to use again your revoked your apps and yeah. So if you want to use again your apps after blacklisted from TutuBox or from AppValley or any other else store, so you should reset your phone and remove blacklisted apps. Otherwise, they will be not open. So to go to reset erase all content and settings. Says backup and erase, so press on erase. So I'm now on screen recording it. I can't show you everything, but that's after erase. Everything will be like brand new phone, so you should set up your region, everything again from zero. Yeah, so after setting up everything, you'll be unable to download and then use apps again, because blacklist will be removed. So enjoy, guys, and have a nice day.